If you have two WooCommerce stores and want to migrate coupons from one store to another. Or if you want to share your coupons with your marketing team for the social media campaigns. Or you want to share the coupons with your affiliate partners, you may want to export them to an Excel or a Google Sheets document. Besides, you may want to export all the coupons containing a specific keyword. But that's virtually impossible with the default WooCommerce options. Whatever you want to do, we'll show you how to quickly export WooCommerce coupons using the WP Sheet Editor Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. It's as easy as taking 3 simple steps. The first step is to install the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. You can download it following the link in the description of this video. After that, you need to open the spreadsheet by going to WP Sheet Editor, Edit Coupons. You'll see all your coupons displayed on the spreadsheet as rows and their complete information as columns. This spreadsheet contains a powerful search tool that allows you to filter the coupons in several ways, such as by keyword, status, coupon amount, etc. Also, it contains a powerful bulk edit tool that allows you to edit the coupons massively, applying thousands of changes to them in seconds. This tool doesn't give you server errors because it applies changes in batches. It's really simple to export the coupons from WooCommerce to a CSV file that you can print, send to a colleague, or edit with Excel or Google Sheets. Just open the export tool that is on the top toolbar. Now select the columns you'll export. You can select all active columns, all columns, or select individual columns. Now tick this checkbox to allow the plugin to export. Also, you have 2 optional features. If you'll edit the CSV with Excel, you can tick this checkbox. The other optional feature is that you can give your export a name. For example, name the file as My Coupons. Finally, just export the coupons to the CSV. As you can see, it's really simple to export all your coupons to a CSV file. You can apply massive changes in seconds to thousands of coupons using the WooCommerce Coupon Spreadsheet. Download it using the link in the description, and visit our website for more tutorials and personalized help on the live chat. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our videos.